present, guys. All the way from Texas. Look how big this box is, guys. It's from Culichi Foods, guys. And it's heavy. It is super, super heavy. The bro has been messaging me, sending some pictures. And I know I have hot sauces. A couple of them because it's this heavy. Like, it is super heavy, guys. Like, how many? 7 pounds and 4.2 ounces. This is really heavy. Like, especially for just hot sauces. Like, what did I get? I know, I'm like a kid in Christmas. Like, I just want to open it. So let me go ahead and open it, guys, because yo no puedo aguantar and I already want to know what it is. And I was actually gonna do it for Christmas, and I'm like, you know, I can't wait till Christmas. Let's go ahead and do it already. Oh my goodness. Let me open this. Let me put my cuchillo down because si no, you never know, guys. You never know. Woo! Oh my goodness. Really, really well packaged. Like, extremely well packaged. You guys know I love bubble wrap. Like, the bubble wrap alone is a present. Oh my gosh. Bro! Like, what? You guys know how they say everything's bigger in Texas? Crap. Oh my goodness. Like, check this out. This is a hot sauce. Oh my god, is it glass? It's glass, guys. Oh yeah, look at over here. And there's a couple of them. Like quite a bit of them. Oh my goodness, tons of cute little hot sauces también. Let me go ahead and start unwrapping, ¿verdad? Guys, oh my goodness. Like, have you guys, I have never in my life seen anything like this, guys. Salsa picante culichi, mi gusto es. This is chile pitin since 2004, guys. Oh, wow. It's heavy. It is so heavy. Are they all the same thing? I feel like they are. Look how adorable these little hot sauces are. Wait, there's more though. So let me, oh crap. So many things. Oh, I know, this is so exciting. Like, I just want to open them all. Oh, guys, it is all the same thing. Bro, you have blessed me with your hot sauce. Oh, I can't wait to try it. So let's go ahead and get the big one out. Oh my goodness, this is just, it's way too much, bro. Like, oh, I am so, like, beyond grateful for all of this, guys. Like, every single size that he has, he sent. Like, imagínate, like, look at these. Like a medium one, a smaller one, and the mini ones. Like, I just love the mini ones, and I have quite a bit of mini ones. That is so freaking amazing. Now, let me put the box down, guys, because I want to try this. I want to try this bad boy here. Ooh, so freaking awesome. Con sabor a Sinaloa, guys. You know it's gonna be freaking amazing. I don't know if this camera is doing it justice, but oh, it looks so good. It looks so freaking delicious. Let's see what the ingredients say. It has water, dried chile pitin, chili pepper extract, dried peppers, iodized salt, anchovies, garlic powder, sugar, spice, tamarind. Tamarindo, is that what gives it the color? I wonder if it's gonna taste like tamarindo. Oh, I love tamarindo. Natural flavor, citric acid, soy sauce. What? That is so cool. Sodium benzoate as a preservative. It may contain caramel color, FD&C red 40, yellow number 6, allergens, soybean, wheat, gluten, and anchovies. Which I'm not allergic to any of them, so that's pretty amazing. And it has a little Scoville heat unit on here, guys. Look how cool is that? Like, a lot of thinking went into this labeling. Like, that is so cool. I just can't believe it's this big, guys. Like look how big it is. I'm telling you guys, I've never seen anything like this. So it's so exciting. And vamos a abrirla, because I can't wait any longer. I really want to taste it. And the bro, like, it looks like he makes some bomb stuff. Not only this, but food también. Oh my goodness. Like, this almost smells like something from mole, guys. Okay. Consistency is beautiful. Nice, silky, smooth consistency. Let's get a spoonful of it. Delicious. Honestly, bro, it's like perfect for a mole. beyond perfect. This is exactly what a mole tastes in a thinner consistency. So if you guys don't know what a mole is, which is the best way to make chicken, a Mexican recipe, you guys have to taste this. You guys just have to taste this. Oh my goodness. For my next giveaway, I'm gonna be sending at least one of these hot sauces to whoever wins that giveaway for my 1,000 subscribers, guys. You guys will love me for it. And you guys definitely need to go check him out. All his information will be linked on the description box down below, so you guys can go check out this salsa. Like, I just want to have a vaso and drink this. Is that weird? That's not weird, right? Like, put it on some arroz, guys. Oh, y tengo arroz. No, hombre. This would be perfect. Like, just soak my arroz in this. Oh, like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. This will probably be gone in one day. That's how delicious it is. You're like, oh, baby girl, how can you drink all of that? I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You guys can. It's literally like mole. Mole perfection on here. The seasoning is great. The salt is perfection. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. Like, he put a mole sauce as a hot sauce. That is so freaking amazing. I've never seen that been done. Like, guys, definitely taste this one. And he has all different sizes for you guys to have. Definitely, if you guys have a party, this one. Put this, just add this into some chicken and say you made it, guys. Little secret. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. Give him credit. This is so good. Nombre, like, delicious beyond delicious, guys. I don't even want to stop. Like, it's that type of salsa that you just keep going and you just keep going. So good. Thanks, bro, for sending me this. I will be posting it on Instagram like soon, because si no se me va a acabar and they're gonna be like, well, what was in the big old jar, guys? Like, no se va a ver nada. So freaking delicious. Like, I literally don't want to stop. So good. Definitely have to have everyone taste this one around here. Mouth-watering perfection. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bro, again, like, I cannot thank you enough for everything. This is so delicious. Your flavors are amazing. Have a great day, guys. Bye.